In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on or turn off hardware acceleration in Discord on PC. Hardware acceleration is a feature in Discord that allows the application to use your computer's graphics hardware to improve performance and provide a smoother experience. Depending on your system, enabling or disabling this feature can help with performance, reduce graphical issues, or resolve certain problems such as lag, crashes, or display glitches. In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly where to find the setting and how to change it on a Windows PC. To get started, open Discord on your computer and make sure you're signed in to your account. Once Discord is open, look toward the bottom left corner of the application window. You'll see a small gear-shaped icon next to your username. Click on this icon to open the Discord settings menu. After the settings page opens, you'll find a list of options on the left-hand side. Take a moment to scroll through the available categories until you reach the App Settings section. From there, click on Appearance to access Discord's visual and display-related settings. Once you're inside the Appearance settings, continue looking through the available options until you find Advanced. Select Advanced from the menu to open additional settings that control how Discord interacts with your computer's hardware and resources. On the Advanced page, you'll see an option labeled Hardware Acceleration. This setting includes a toggle switch that allows you to either enable or disable the feature. If you want Discord to make use of your computer's graphics hardware, switch the toggle on. If you're troubleshooting performance issues or graphical problems, you may want to switch it off instead. As soon as you change the setting, Discord will ask you to confirm the change. This confirmation step is required because the application needs to restart in order for the new setting to take effect. Click OK to confirm your choice and allow Discord to relaunch automatically. After Discord restarts, the hardware acceleration setting will be applied. If you enabled it, Discord will begin using supported hardware resources to assist with performance. If you disabled it, Discord will rely more heavily on software processing instead. That's all there is to it. By accessing the Advanced Settings page and using the Hardware Acceleration toggle, you can quickly turn this feature on or off whenever needed. This can be particularly useful when optimizing Discord's performance or troubleshooting technical issues on your Windows PC. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel.